A resource is a way of creating a reusable piece of data or information, like item stats, textures, or settings. This isn't a node, but it can be saved as an asset and shared across different scenes. So let's take a look at an example of what that might look like. First, we need to go into a script. Let's create a script, and here you can see I created one called item.gd. By default, we'll get something that extends node. Now, we don't want that because we want to extend resource. This will allow us to actually utilize what is inside of a resource. Essentially, what we can do here is we can type in export variable damage, and then we can define what this damage is. In my case, I want damage to be an integer. So I'm going to say int. Okay, we have this set up, but what does this actually do? Well, back in our actual scene, we're going to create a new resource by just going to resource, and we can just do the base one. And here, this is the actual item that we'll create. So let's say I want to create an iron sword. We'll create an iron sword, and we can double click it. And on the right-hand side, we'll see, well, nothing. We can actually see something once we actually put our item.gd. You'll see that when we connect our script, we now have a damage. This will allow us to change it inside of this script, or inside of this panel here. Inside of our script, we can add more things. So let's say we want to add health. This can be an integer as well. We can add one more, but instead of damage, what we'll do is we'll add description, and this will be a string. And if we hit save and go back to our iron sword, we'll see here that we can now see damage, health, and description. And I can even type in thing. Okay, this is great. We now have a resource. There are many different use cases for this, but if you guys would like to see more, hit that sub button down below and I'll make a follow-up video on that. That's it on what a resource is, and I'll see you guys in the next video.